Ceterasan.
Anyway, let's learn a couple of those little like slang fun words that you could use in Croatian. So the word, let's say for really or totally, is stvarno.
Stvarno.
So let's say you're driving down the road and someone cuts you off and you're like, stvarno.
Stvarno.
Exactly. Stvarno.
S-T?
S-T-V.
Okay, stvarno.
Stvarno.
Stvarno. So you really go, stvarno? You do it like
You
that.
could do it that way. You can do
Someone
a
cuts you off, you gotta...
stvarno.
Stvarno.
Or like you're watching soccer and it's off. There's a goal, but it's offside. It's stvarno. Or someone's giving you attitude, like stvarno. What's up with that?
Or you go to the fridge thinking about that piece of food that you thought was there, and you're like, stvarno? Because somebody ate it before you got there.
Yeah, because you see at the dinner table, someone's chomping on it.
Yeah.
Or it is in there and you're like, Stvarno.
They totally skipped it. How
Okay.
they missed this?
That's a good one. That's a good slang one, right?
Yeah, I like that one.
It's a hit for us. Another one is the word for sure. Annie's actually, I hope we're pronouncing her name right. She suggested this one. You pronounce it može.
Može.
Može. So može is like sure or like totally. Let's do it. It's allowed. Do you want to go to the kafić later, Tony D?
Može.
How about you, DJ Mo? Do you want to go to the Dodger game tomorrow?
Može.
Yeah. Može, right? Let's kafić. You want some Turkish coffee? Može. Do you want salsa with that? Može, right?
You want a burrito in Mike B's garage?
Može.
Može.
You want to
Može.
be listening to sirens and be in the cold in the garage with the wind blowing?
Može.
Može. So može. Not preferably, but može. Okay, so those are some cool ones. Are you guys down to learn some more words?
Yes.
Da.
Može.
Da.
Može.
Može. There you go.
Može.
Može.
Put that in the vernacular.
Stvarno?
Stvarno.
Može.
Stvarno. Okay, fun one. We do know a fun one we learned a long time ago. Kikiriki. Tony D, big fan over here. Kikiriki, the giggle master,
Kikiriki.
is peanuts.
Mm-hmm.
Giggle man.
Doesn't take much, folks.
No, it doesn't. Yeah. We're editing. This is like a 20-minute segment here. We're learning the word for corn. The word for corn is kukuruz.
Classic.
What?
Kukuruz.
Kukuruz.
So cuckoo. Cruz.
Kukuruz.
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 You got kikiriki and kukuruz.
Oh, we were just talking about there's kukuruz in our burritos.
Yes.
Yes, there was. Kukuruz.
Kukuruz, corn.
Kukuruz.
Super. Now we have the word for chicken is kokoša.
Kokoša.
So a kokoša is something you'll see on a farm or maybe walking down the street with an attitude, depending on what street you're living. But if you're in a restaurant or if you're in the store buying chicken, the word is piletina. But kokoša is the actual animal. Just like us, we have cow. You're not going to say, can I have a side of cow? You say, I have a side of beef, right? Mm-hmm. So piletina is the edible version of chicken. Chicken, the live bird, is kokoša.
Kokoša.
Very nice. So then we have also the word for egg. Jaje.
Yeah.
Jaje.
So this has many meanings, but we're going to stick to the safe ones today, gentlemen.
Oh.
So get over that.
Može.
One jaje,
Stvarno?
jedno jaje is one egg. Jaja is more than one.
Yeah.
So jaja.
Yeah.
So would you say dva jaja?
Yeah. Dva jaja. Or you could say tri jaja, DJ Mo, and so Tony D won't laugh for an hour.
Come on. It was a layup.
Alley-oop.
Don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that like button.